Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, blue color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color, blue color. O and E1. Kids, again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids, again use blue color and draw 3. The numbers of 3. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use brown color, brown color. F, O, U, R, 4. The numbers of 4. Kids, again use brown color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color, green color. S, I, X, 6. Kids, again use green color and draw 7. The numbers of 7. S, E, V, E and 7. Kids, again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use red color, red color. N, I, N, E, 9. Kids, again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids, again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, again use black color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use brown color, brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids, again use brown color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, today you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.